Happy Pet Day! This is Petrie, and this is Ducky. I'll let them go before they go nuts. Okay. Anyway, so today is Tuesday, and it's Pet Day. So I would love to see a picture of your pets. Here's Petrie. He says hi. Say hi, Petrie. Yes, so send me a picture of your pets. I love all pets. If you have dogs or cats or lizards or snakes or whatever, I would love to see a picture, so send it to me. I love animals, obviously. So, in science today, we're going to continue talking about the life cycle of a butterfly. We know that they start out as eggs, and they grow, they go through their life cycle, and turn into beautiful butterflies. All of our animals, even our pets, go through a life cycle. Like this little baby started out as a tiny kitten and became a full-grown cat eventually. And usually they will mate and have more babies, and then our life cycle continues. So that was Petrie. Here's Ducky. See, this is Ducky. Ducky, say hi. Say hi, Ducky. Yeah, this one's a baby. So Ducky's our little kitten. He's a baby cat. And he'll grow up. And then he'll become a full-grown cat. Yeah. Because we know all living animals have their own life cycles. Plants, animals, all living things. My butterfly life cycle wheel. So we are going to need to fill in what each one of these different stages mean. First, I write my name at the top, as always. Can't forget that. Okay, now we can begin. So, number 1, the first stage in the life cycle of a butterfly. I see a picture of a leaf here with a little thing on it. Our little thing is an egg. So, stage 1, egg. So they start off as an egg. Okay, you, come on. Focus, please. There we go. After it's an egg, inside the egg is our caterpillar. So our caterpillar hatches out of its egg, and it becomes a caterpillar. So, caterpillar. C-A-T-E-R-P-I-L-L-A-R. Caterpillar. So our egg becomes a caterpillar. We have 1, 2. What's next? Our caterpillar is very hungry, so he eats and eats and grows quickly. Then it sheds its exoskeleton, so it's outside, and forms a chrysalis, which is also called a pupa. Chrysalis, C-H-R-Y-S-A-L-I-S. So this is stage 3. Our chrysalis and our pupa are the same thing. That's what this weird little thing is called. It's called a chrysalis. So we have 1, 2, 3. Once it's in its chrysalis, it's going through metamorphosis. Our caterpillar just adds some wings, and it becomes a beautiful butterfly. And this is last, so this is number 4. And remember, this is a wheel. So our wheel keeps spinning. It starts here, goes all the way around, starts over, and just keeps going. That's what a life cycle is. A cycle continues. This book is called Butterflies. It's by Jason Cooper. Here we have our table of contents. We know if we're looking for a Subject, we can find the subject in the correct page and then go to that page to find what we are looking for. Butterflies. Butterflies are beautiful flying insects. They have 4 wings. They have 6 legs, like all insects. So if it's an insect, it has 6 legs. And I read my caption down here, so I know this butterfly up here is a South American longwing. Butterflies have 2 large eyes. They have good eyesight. Butterflies also have 2 long antennas. Antennas work like noses and ears. This butterfly down here shows its 2 long antennas and large eyes. Many butterflies are known for their bright colors. The colors come from tiny scales. The tiny scales look like bits of brightly colored dust. The scales cover the wings. Butterflies without wing scales have see-through wings. Cool. Butterflies and moths. Moths are close cousins of butterflies. Moths usually fly at night. Butterflies fly in daytime. Most moths look more furry than butterflies. Their fur is really made up of scales. Butterfly food. Most butterflies have a tongue like straw. It is long and hollow. A butterfly sips nectar through its tongue. Nectar is a sweet liquid in a flower. This queen butterfly is drinking nectar from a flower. You can see here, she's drinking the nectar through her tongue like straw. Or her straw-like tongue. Monarchs. All animals need energy. Nectar gives butterflies energy. Butterflies need energy to fly. Nectar is an energy drink for the monarch. This is a monarch butterfly. Those really pretty orange butterflies you see. Monarch butterflies fly very long distances. Monarchs fly from north to south each fall. In the spring, they fly north. Their long trips are called migrations. Monarchs land on a flower as they travel south. Here we have a caterpillar. Young butterflies. Female butterflies lay eggs. A young butterfly does not look anything like a butterfly. It looks like a tiny worm. It is called a caterpillar. A monarch caterpillar feeds on a milkweed leaf. That's here. A caterpillar eats only certain kinds of plants. It grows larger and then it stops eating. Its body makes a cocoon. Sometimes a cocoon is known as a chrysalis. The caterpillar changes inside the cocoon. It becomes a beautiful butterfly. So here's a cocoon. In its cocoon, the caterpillar grows into an adult butterfly. You can see it forming inside this chrysalis. Then we have our glossary. So here are some definitions for the words that we read about. And our index, further reading, and the Insect Discovery Library. Ooh, look at all these different ones. I caught Ducky one more time so we can wrap up Pet Day and what we learned in science. Say hi, Duck. Yeah. Say hi, my name is Ducky. I'm so cute. Look, I have a spotty belly. Yeah, my baby. And look, he has extra toes on his hands. So he's called a polydactyl cat. Isn't he cute? Okay, so we learned more about our life cycles today. We did a little read aloud. I read to you about some butterflies. and we learned some new vocab words, and we're going to continue talking about our life cycles tomorrow. What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow we have reading day, so we're going to be reading.